Gaano po ba kalaganap ang LGBTQ sa Pilipinas po?
Ayun, Pastor Roy. Pastor Roy. Ako po ba?
Ah,
Okay, okay.
sige Doc, ikaw muna.
Okay. Ayun nga, meron kang biruan dati way back 2007. Sabi ng mga pastors during the CSRN time, bakit ang mga homosexuals and lesbians hindi naman nanganganak pero dumadami. So very ironic kasi when the first time I came here in Naik, that was 1987, late 87, wala pa masyadong homosexual dito sa konti-konti lang at yung iba nakapantalon pa talagang lalaki. Pero ngayon as of 2025, sobra na. Talagang grabe. Ako sabi ko pambira. When I arrived in Naik, Cavite 1987 and in Cavite, may mission field, 2, 3 lang, 4 ang nakikita ko. Hindi pa ladlad yun, sir. Hindi pa naka gender yun, yung tinatawag nilang transgender. Kasi ang transgender iba sa transvestite. When I was in Thailand, nakaupo ako, naghihintay ako ng taxi, may bumaba. Kamukha ni yung artista natin, ganito talaga. Pero may bumating sa akin, "Uy, madigitan." Ay, grabe. Makikita niyo po ngayon, mas magiganda pa yung mga homosexual sa babae. Sa totoo lang, marami dito sa amin, dyan sa labas, pag bumili ka. Talaga sabi nyo, mabira talaga. Ano ba nagaganap sa mundo? Wala na. If you are a Bible reader and we are studying the last days events, mamaya po, may kikwento talaga ako, ba't magdulo na lang siguro.
Doc Alan, magandang pag-usapan din yan for the next
Yeah.
podcast, the last days of times. Kasi
Opo.
it is so timely. But what we're talking right now is yung LGBTQ. Tanong ko kanina, bakit ganun kalaganap? Maybe you could also share, Pastor Roy, bakit ganun ba kalaganap sa Pilipinas? Laganap pa talaga, like Dr. Alan said, talagang dumadami na. So on your side po, your thoughts po?
Diba sabi nga na wala nga sila mattress pero bakit tumadami? So may kinalaman din ito sa tinatawag nating spiritual battle, and of course deceptions of the enemy. Malaking kinalaman ng tinatawag nating parang identity crisis that these people, sabi natin, we're confused. But they don't want to accept that, no? They don't want to accept those, na confused sila. Pero, kasi, they are male. Ibig sabihin, they are male. They were saying na, they were homosexual, no? They were saying that they are a man, they are a woman that trapped in the body of a man. Ginagamit nila yan. And, same, likewise, doon sa mga babae na, or mga lesbian, they were saying also that they were a man trapped in the body of a woman. So I think they were confused, no? Because alam naman natin sa creations ng Panginoon, lalaki lang at babae talaga. And this is why Paul wrote in the book of Romans about concerning homosexuality, no? Binanggit yan sa Romans from chapter 18. Romans chapter 1 verse 18 to 27, no? Especially 26 and 27 concerning ito sa tinatawag nating homosexuality. And I would like to quote, no, binabanggit niya dito na that is why God abandoned them to their shameful desires. Even the women turned against the natural way to have sex and instead indulge in sex with each other. So, babae sa babae, lalaki sa lalaki. And the men, instead of having normal sexual relationship with women, burned with lust for each other. Men did shameful things with other men. And as a result of this sin, they suffered within themselves the penalty they deserve. So, parang ngayon, tama nga si Doc Alan na binabanggit sa panahon natin, sobra talaga. Kasi ano na, they were exposed. Kumbaga, exposed or hindi na sila nahiya. Di ba dati mayroon sinasabi tayo may covert, mayroon tinatawag natin na uncovert, na kung tawagin nila mayroong silahis na tinatago na lalaking-lalaki ang boses pero pag initsahan mo ng daga, bigla napapasigaw o napapatili, no? So mayroon namang babae na parang ang the way they walk parang lalaki, no? Tagang masculine no? Tingin nila sa kanilang katawan. And they're having an affair with the same sex, no? Babae sa babae, lalaki sa lalaki. Kaya sa ngayon, mas lalo ngayon, lalo na sinasabi natin sa Thailand, ang dali magpa-sex transplant, no? Ginagawa na nila yan ngayon. And you can no longer recognize kung sino yung minsan. Mas maganda pa ang bakla kaysa babae. Ganon po yung nila, observations ng mga ibang mga nakarating na ng Thailand, kagaya ni Doc Alan.